this right here is it. The brand new and improved diamond interlocking that has been recently installed in downtown Plant City, Florida. This video is a quick compilation of the best trains that I have caught on the old diamond that has served ever since I discovered Plant City as a rail fanning location roughly 4 years ago. Over the night of August 18th and into the morning of August 19th, 2019, the diamond was painstakingly replaced, which took roughly 17 hours total. Thanks to some of my friends, I was able to get photos and videos of this operation to show my fans. So, here are some of the first and last trains that I caught on the old diamond, along with pictures and videos of the replacement. So, without any further ado, let's roll the clips. Clip number 1, March 2016, my first time ever visiting Plant City after chasing a juice train long ago. And from this point, all the way until August 2019, the diamond shown here would support trains going north, south, east, and west daily. So, here are some of the best videos that I have caught from then to now of Plant City's diamond getting beaten by trains. Finally, but certainly not least, my last ever train that I caught over the old Plant City interlocking. CSX train Y122, some empty rock train with a new ST70AH headed from Yeoman Yard up the A-line to Winston Yard. Caught via GoPro to where you can see the new virtual rail fan camera on the left and the crane used to replace the interlocking on the right. That was it for me. I had to say farewell to my old friend as we had to head for home later that day. I wouldn't be up for the interlocking replacement that night, but some of my friends were, and they were kind enough to lend me photos and videos of the operation. Here they are. new diamond was in around 2 o'clock the next day. The first train across the new diamond would be Amtrak 91, the southbound Silver Star train headed from New York City to Miami, Florida. This would be the official first train over the new diamond, but last weekend, August 24th, I was out on my own and I caught my two first trains over the Interlocking. Two CSX local trains, the first one being CSX train 070824, a local train that has just finished switching Lakeland Industries and is on his way back to Tampa's Uceda Intermodal Yard, where he will transfer over to CSX's Yeoman Freight Yard. Also, for those who are wondering, this new diamond is definitely a lot quieter as trains currently pass over it. This may change as time goes on, but as of currently, this new diamond installation definitely produces less noise as trains go over it. And right after 708 clears comes CSX 0709, the Plant City local that has just finished switching, you guessed it, Plant City Industries, and is now backing from the S line to the A line to head west over to Tampa, following 0708 right on his markers. And there you have it, a landmark gone and replaced within 24 hours. The new Plant City Interlocking will likely be here for another 3 to 4 years, and I cannot wait to catch all of the trains that pass over it within the coming years. So thanks for joining me today out on the Sunshine State Rails to catch our first couple of trains over the Plant City Interlocking. Very special thanks to Railroad Spike Productions and the Robert W. Williford Railroad Museum for making this video possible. And in Plant City, Florida, this is Kotabeaner, and I'll see you next time on the Sunshine State Rails.